G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video I test out the new tubeless system that I've installed on my bike. I'm running the Metzler MC360 mid-soft tyres. They are both at 6 psi. I do 6 challenges on this video, including rock step-ups, leaf mulch matter, road, high-speed single trails and logs. And there are some surprising results in this test. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Test number 1, rock step-ups.
Alright, we've got a series of big rock step-ups here. We'll see how this tubeless handles this. Pretty good. Oh yeah, the traction was quite good. Whoa. Whoa. This will be a test. Now that I'm half stuck, let's see if this will get traction. It almost feels like it wants to. There's no way my tyres at 15 psi with tubes in it would have been able to jump that. Not a chance. You can see that step, that's way bigger than the front wheel. And it climbed it with basically no runoff. So there's a good indicator of the kind of extra traction you can get.
Test number 2, leaf matter.
Okay, over there's that ledge there. It's actually quite steep and looks like loose rocks and things like that. I'll see if I've got enough traction to get up that. Whoa! Yes, it was. That was a lot steeper than I was expecting, actually. Okay, I've come to basically a stop. There's loose terrain here. Rock step-ups. We'll see how it goes. In fact, I might go straight up the middle where there's not even a trail, where all that loose foliage and sticks and stuff is there, and see how that goes from a standard start. So here we go. Oh, the traction was fantastic. That was actually steeper than what it looked, and it just gripped really nice, so I'm happy with that.
Test number 3, the road.
We'll see what it's like on a bit of tarmac on the road. It's only got about 6 in the rear and about 6 in the front. This is a bit of a windy section of road too.
Test number 4, high-speed dirt trails.
Bit of grass.
number 5, single trail.
Wow, this is steep. Glad I didn't go over that with any pace. Through a dry creek bed, up the embankment, let's go. Oh, that was gripping nice. That type of thing there, definitely more grip. Go over rough things like that, in a way it feels like you've got a little more suspension. Alright, that's a deep gorge down there. Hitting a rock like that, you barely even noticed it. And that was a decent sized rock, so normally that would sort of flick me to the side, or I'd get a bad bounce off it or something like that, where with the tyres down as low as these are, it sort of absorbs it more and keeps you more true to line and not coming out of track. That's some of the main notices that I'm finding. Rocks like that, it's not flicking me out of control, things like that. Never creek bed here with rocks. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, normally that would kick me way out. Still did a little bit. That's probably more my riding skills than the fault of the tyre or the bike.
Test number 6, logs.
Let's see what it's like on a log.
Overall, I found that the tyres performed quite well, and there were some improvements in many situations. The only thing that really surprised me was how it handled that high-speed dirt trail. I kind of found that the front was very loose, and I will probably increase the tyre pressure a little bit, probably to 8 or maybe even 10 psi for the front tyre, as I found it on high speed on the dirt, it seemed just that little bit too sloppy, and you certainly don't want to be falling off on high speeds. Towards the end of the day though, I did find I got used to that feeling just a little bit, so maybe over time you could lower it down a bit more once you become used to it, but going from 15 psi to 6 psi at high speeds I found a little bit shaky, but I did find that I became a little bit more used to it towards the end of the day, so over time you may just get used to that feel. But overall I was quite happy with them and hoping to have many good rides ahead.